Hello everyone and welcome back to Matchbox Memories. Today we're going to look at the new moving parts series. I think this is the fourth series of Matchbox moving parts for 2024. As always, there are 5 vehicles in the set, and I'm going to make a fairly short video here, guys. Just going to quickly look at these cars and give it a quick review. So without any further ado, let's go through these vehicles. Alright, the first vehicle we're going to look at is the 1988 Mazda RX-7. We've already seen this in white. I think that was from 2023, and you can see it's got this eco-friendly packaging. So no plastic in this particular packaging. It's ISCC certified plastic, which I think is biodegradable. All right, there's the packaging. I'm going to open this bad boy up and we'll have a look at the vehicle. So there it is, guys, outside of its packaging. It does have a detailed engine compartment there. You can see it's very, very nicely detailed. You can see the little Mazda logo there. Detailed at the front. It's the moving part there. Look at that, fully detailed rotary 88. (1988) Mazda RX-7. Gorgeous. I actually like this one better than the white version for some reason. Alright, next let's have a look at this Citroen. Second coloring of this. It came in a metallic, I think it was a metallic gray in 2023. Once again, I think the moving part here is the hood. There's really nothing to these packages, so I'm not going to keep showing them. But anyways, let's open that up and have a look at it. So I've opened that up, guys, and as you can see, it's the hood, and we've got a detailed engine compartment again. This vehicle seems to be the peg warmer in this group of 5 vehicles, at least at the local Walmart in Vancouver or Richmond. Fully detailed. Just not the most exciting casting. Black interior, black base, 2023 Citroen EC4X in white. Fully detailed. Just not the most exciting car, unfortunately. Alright, this is the second version of this 1969 Ford Mustang Boss 302. We saw this in blue a few years ago. Didn't get a chance to pull it out, but it is a fairly nice casting. Black with the gold, and somewhat excited to see it open. Surprise, surprise, the moving part is the hood again. And once again, there's a detailed engine in there, but unfortunately the front of this vehicle is not detailed. Shame on you, Matchbox. Good detailing on the sides and no detailing on the back. So basically paid 3 times the price of a regular mainline to get an engine that I will literally never see outside of this video. Overpriced for a vehicle that you know, basically doesn't have the bells and the whistles. Disappointing. It's a good casting. Just you need to detail these things. If you're on Instagram, guys, you gotta hit up Matchbox World and tell them to start detailing these things, because they're getting a bit shabby here. Good castings, lots of time and effort in developing castings that make sense, and then they cheap out on the paintwork. It's frustrating. All right, last 2. Okay, we can start off with the Lexus. We've seen this before. This is the third recolor, second moving parts recolor, I should say. It debuted in white in the moving part series a couple of years ago, and then they made it in green, in a army green, I'm going to call it, in the collector's line, and this is the third version in this metallic gray, the 2022 Lexus LX. Let's open this up and see what it's all about. Alright, let's have a look at this casting. I did pull out the other two versions of it as well because I do have them displayed and they were easy to find. Actually quite a nice casting. It looks quite similar to the real vehicle. They've done a fairly pathetic job in the moving part. It barely opens. Couldn't get anything in there. Mechanics are not great. If you're going to have a moving part, it should open just like the real car. But anyways, fully detailed front, detailed back, Lexus logo, the front, black base, the 2022 Lexus LX, good set of wheels, black interior. And those are the other two versions. So this one's from the collector's line. You can see that it has rubber wheels, unlike the moving part series that just has the plastic wheels. Sadly, I did notice that this was peg warming quite a few times. This one has the additional LX sign on the number plate, which is nice. Of course, the rubber wheels make a big difference. Sadly, plastic base again on this one. Quite nice, interesting color. And of course, my favorite is the first one, the debut version in white. This one was really hard to find in Vancouver. It just came to Walmart once. I was lucky enough to get it with the tan interior and the black base. So those are the three versions, guys. Definitely worth collecting. I quite like this vehicle. And then for the last vehicle, we do have a new casting for 2024. We haven't seen this 2018 Ford Focus before. Ford Focus RS. Excited to open it up and have a look at it. It's an interesting little car there. Look at that hood that actually opens. Look how pretty that is. It's a gorgeous little casting. Yeah, I really like this. That's really nice. Fully detailed back and front, black interior, spoiler, the 2018 Ford Focus RS. This is the debut version of it, and fantastic little engine on it, all detailed, beautiful. And that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. This is a very short video. I will be making more videos because I have found more Matchbox main lines. I just haven't had a chance to do it. I just did a bit of a renovation at my place. So anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you guys find this set not the most exciting set of cars, but there are a couple of beauties in there. Anyways, please do subscribe to my channel and have a fantastic week.